Hello, today I'm going to show you how to sign up to Threads with Instagram. Let's start. First of all, open up the Threads app. Once you open the app, click to log in with Instagram. To fetch all of your profile information, tap on Import from Instagram, then click on Next. Now from Privacy, choose to make your account private or public. Click on Public, then tap on Next. After that, click on Join Threads, and now you're logged into your Thread account, which is connected to Instagram. Go into its profile from the bottom right corner. As you can see, your profile name is the same as your Instagram. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this, and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.